Not for vlogs though.
Not for vlogs though. You know, many of you keep asking, where is Shri? Where is Shri? Well, she's very much around, so I can every once in a while do these vlogs with her. And of course, with the little carrots thrown in of running errands or something like that. But
Am I a rabbit?
so this is what I like about Cubbon Park. You know, walking into a small
Forest.
forest of sorts, right?
Right.
There's no stopping Shri. She finds a place to walk, she just takes off.
Absolutely no one in this area.
I think this is the one thing that we in Bengaluru are blessed with.
Yeah.
That in the heart of town, you have these massive lung spaces. I think when you drive on holidays in the mornings, it's like driving back. I remember how it was like to drive in Bengaluru.
90s.
Yeah, when I came here, right? You could drive like 20 kilometers in 20 minutes.
Yeah. 20-30 minutes.
Yeah, I still remember that. Hi folks, hope you're doing well. We are out for a walk actually, and I have the boss with me.
Hi everybody.
So where are we going today, Shri?
We are going to Cubbon Park for a walk. After that, nice breakfast. And on our way back, as always, running some errands.
That's always the case. That's the story of my life.
I don't get you. Monday to Saturday you work. Sunday you go for a bike ride. So
But Sunday I only go for a motorcycle ride in the morning, right? Then rest of the day I'm there.
Half day, and then after that, we step out, with our daughter for lunch or something like that. So when do I get a chance to, finish my errands? So
Alright, so anyways, long story short, we are off for a walk. That's the more important part. We haven't been to Cubbon Park in ages, right?
yeah,
We picked today because today is a holiday and there isn't too much traffic on the road. It's quite empty actually. You know, when we did the Lal Bagh walk, I think many of you loved that video. And so we thought, okay, fine, let's kind of carry the GoPro along and see what comes of it. And hopefully you'll enjoy this vlog too. So there was a time when we used to go to Cubbon Park.
almost every day, at least 5 days a week we would go.
Yeah, this was a long time ago, of course. I don't even remember some of the parts that we would walk through.
We used to, keep changing, the path, because you would get bored of, walking the same way. So
Yeah, I think that's the difference between Cubbon Park and Lal Bagh,
yeah.
right? So Lal Bagh is very structured, very manicured, and you walk around the lake and then you walk in the other areas. So whereas Cubbon Park, I think is more seems a lot more natural in its. Well, not natural, it's not the right word, but I just feel that it's not as manicured as Lal Bagh is. And so you can walk in the lawn somewhere, or you can walk, under the shade of the trees and things like that. There's a bamboo grove in one corner. So that's what I used to like about walking in Cubbon Park. You could do all of that, no?
yeah. But for me, both Lal Bagh and Cubbon Park are the same, because you prefer sometimes Cubbon Park more. That's why I would say yes. But I think for me both the parks are equally, it has its own charm, that has its own charm. The best part is walk and then go for a nice breakfast and then my favorite stuff, running errands. So
if I ever want for Shri to come out somewhere, let's say if she's not so inclined, I think I can tell her, okay, fine, let's do this. And then, by the way, do you have any errands to run on the way back? And I'm sure she will join in 9 times out of 10.
not for vlogs though.
Not for vlogs though. You know, many of you keep asking, where is Shri? Where is Shri? Well, she's very much around, but let's say being on a vlog is not her. What?
I think one person is good enough for the family, I feel.
That's right. So, but even Sunaina,
Yeah.
even she is, you know, we did one vlog with her, that anniversary vlog, and I think she got a lot of attention for that.
Yeah.
And so she was like, okay, fine, I'm not doing any more vlogs. And of course, now she's studying overseas, so she's been spared being a part of
Yeah.
the vlog. But of course, Shri here
Yeah.
is here, so I can every once in a while do these vlogs with her. So of course, she's also sporting enough to be a part of it.
Yeah.
And of course, with the little carrots thrown in of running errands or something like that. But
Am I a rabbit?
well, but you are quite fast on the uptake. I am more like a turtle in my pace, but she is more like a rabbit in her pace. So she wants to kind of do things quick. Whereas, you know, I like to think and I like to just be and then decide whether I should do. She will first do it and then think along the way some way, or sometimes think after she's done the fact.
No, by and large, I also plan my things, and then, you know, like I am little quick.
Your
You
plan,
know,
of course.
I plan it very well in advance, and then I just like to do it one by one. You know, like I like to tick my to-do list.
She's saying that in English, but she'll tell me taka. You have to do it taka, meaning you have to do it really
Yeah.
quick.
And
Don't.
then, you know, relax. You know, after that, watch some TV, catch up with some nice shows on Netflix.
See, but everybody is different, right?
Yeah, I mean, I'm not saying that, you know,
So-
I don't agree with you, but just that's the way I am. And
That's true. So there's some people who want to really think, and you know, and I fall into that category.
Yeah,
So
you
sometimes
think-
I think a little too much actually, but that's the way I am. So I can't really
too much.
too much.
Too anta ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. It's like I have to say enough thinking. Come now, let's do it. You're a thinker mostly. Maybe creative people are like that. So I'm not that creative, right? So
You're creative.
in different ways, not.
Yeah, you're creative in different ways. So I think creativity is not just about creating something, right? Creativity is also in the way that you go about doing your things.
Yeah.
Maybe even your routine things, but you know. So I guess there are different sorts of creativity.
Yeah.
And one creativity is this vlog, for which today we have the presence of the boss, Shri, who has graciously agreed to be a part of this. Anyways, off to Cubbon Park now. Well, here we are in Cubbon Park. There's nobody around us in the immediate area, so we've taken
Yeah.
the liberty to lower the masks a bit. So this is what I like about Cubbon Park. You know, walking into a small
Forest.
forest of sorts, right?
Right. With little paths, you know, nice narrow paths, you know.
And you can also get off the path here, right?
Yeah, right.
I think so. It's very unstructured, very unmanicured, very unlandscaped in a manner of speaking. So it feels very natural to me.
Natural, Ah, nice air.
So of course you have the paths that you can walk on, that many people walk on. But if you want to meander off the beaten path, you can do that in Cubbon Park.
Yeah.
There's no stopping Shri. She finds a place to walk, she just takes off.
Absolutely no one in this area.
Yeah.
Like,
I don't think we've ever come this side
no, never.
to these rocks.
We would have walked like that.
So today we are walking a bit of the usual path because you want to lower your mask and you don't want to be around people when you're doing that.
It's really beautiful, no? The temperature is compared to the city here at least 3-4 degrees less, no?
Yeah, it's so much cooler. And there's a beautiful breeze that's blowing.
Right.
So as we were driving, I was wondering if it was going to be too hot. But then like Shri said, when you come here and you walk through this park, it's at least 3-4 degrees cooler.
Yeah.
And it's beautiful in fact. That's the bandstand area, right? There would be performances that would be staged there.
Okay.
This goes back to 1914. Well, that comes from England. Was actually erected somewhere else earlier and then came here in 1937.
There's so many parts, you can just very
So-
natural agide tumba.
Yeah, so that's what I like. I think there are many parrots here, no?
Yeah. Couple of sparrows also I saw.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think sparrows are rare now, you don't
They
see
just
them.
flew. They just flew there.
I think this is the one thing that we in Bengaluru are blessed with.
Yeah.
That in the heart of town, you have these massive lung spaces.
I think each tree must be at least 100, 150 years old.
I think some of them probably go back,
200 to 50 years.
yeah, I'm sure.
And people who come here and walk every day, I think they're the luckiest ones. People who live close by,
Hmm.
who come in the morning, get up and come for walks. I mean, they get to experience the good, like weather, oxygen, whatever, right? It's like a very healthy thing.
I think everybody can do it because, I mean, even we are all the way in Koramangala. If you come here early in the morning, it's not even
That much traffic. 20
yeah,
minutes.
it's not even 20 minutes. It'll probably be in 15 minutes.
Right.
So the thing is, you need to get in early, and so that you don't have the traffic
Correct.
that you get on the way back, right? So if you come here, let's say at
6:30.
if you're here at 6:30, you walk for an hour, and then you go back. So you'll be home by 7:45, 8. And I think that's the nice thing about places like Cubbon Park. You can do this,
Yeah,
right?
it's doable. Definitely. You have to be mindful of your steps here.
Where there's somebody coming, that's why since we were without masks, I didn't want to walk into his path. So that's why I said, let's walk this side. Yeah, this is a little uneven.
Yeah, be careful.
I think what's also nice about Cubbon Park is even if you come by yourself, you can just find some quiet peace even in this bustle of Bengaluru.
There's so many benches are there. You can come any time of the day. You can sit on these benches, and you don't even feel the heat.
When I drive through Cubbon Park during the daytime, I see a lot of people, alone by themselves,
Yeah.
just walking through the park, maybe sitting on a bench. I think this is what we all need, right? You need sometimes just to get away from work, get away from your family. You find those moments of solitude. And it's very rare actually to find those places because wherever you go, you'll always have people around you. And I think this place is that oasis of solitude, right? So you
many benches.
can come here, occupy one of the benches and just be, right?
That like the shade illa, sun illa anta, sun bandide, heat ide anta illa. Because of that this trees, like that canopy effect ninda, you don't feel that heat anywhere. It feels so nice.
I think that's the beautiful thing about this park. It just allows you to just
People come and like play daddy, and then they bring their pets and they play with their pets. And some people get their books and read.
I think there's certain designated pet areas also here.
Yeah, there, that side. Anytime, like it's so nice. And then Lal Bagh Alley, you can feel the heat after some time.
The open is there, you're walking in the open there.
Here, completely covered. The trees are completely, like it is giving you the protection from the sun. It's like an umbrella effect. You can go like this. We can go back to our car. We didn't even have coffee today.
How long have we walked today?
Walked about 30 minutes, not much. I would like to walk at least 10 minutes more.
So by the time we get to the car, it will take us that much time.
Then it's fine.
What do you say?
Yeah, okay.
I just love the trees in this.
Yeah.
Hi. You've seen my videos. Thank you. A gentle reminder that we are in nature, so you will find what you find in nature. I think let's walk this last path
Okay.
so that we are not in people. Walk without mask.
Yeah. And watchful of your this thing. Some holes will be there.
Some holes, and then I just saw the poster with snakes.
Yeah, snakes, so be careful.
Oh, there's too much foliage, you can't see what's there. After seeing that poster, I'm more mindful now.
I think once or twice we witnessed some snakes also in Lal Bagh as well as in Cubbon Park. Like they're just minding their own business. Only if you go and try to do something, then only it will harm you.
Yeah, if you get in their way, see these holes, you got to be watchful of these, right?
Yeah.
Like his camouflage vest. And if you're a pet owner, this is also great, no?
Yeah.
I wonder when we will get to a day when we don't have to wear masks.
Another 6 months to 1 year, hopefully.
Well, I guess eventually we will, I think mankind will triumph. But till then, we have to be just careful.
Yeah.
So how long did we walk so far?
About 40 minutes?
40 minutes.
Yeah.
Have we earned our breakfast?
I think so.
Yeah, that's the other thing, right? When you're walking or running, you'd rather be, walking or running on earth, right? So it's low impact.
Then tar road.
Then tar road. Not that I do a lot of running, but I just read it somewhere. So it kind of
impacts your knees apparently. So where, when you walk on the sand or this kind of a muddy road,
it cushions the impact, I think, a lot more. The earth is softer. I think for now we'll stick with brisk walks and the occasional burning of calories through whatever form of activity, given the calories that I consume.
now strength training is very good. Strength training, right? Your muscle mass, increases, and then you keep burning the calories even after the workouts.
I think what happens is as you get older, your muscles start shrinking, right?
Right.
I think you start losing muscle mass. So I think it's important to exercise those muscles just to kind of retain them.
And along with your brisk walk, if you can incorporate it like 3 times a week, it's definitely, like for women and men both. Especially women, I would say, after certain age, right? Because of the hormonal imbalance and all that. So we tend to lose our muscle mass a lot. So
that's a sad thing. As you get older, you're not losing fat, you're losing more of the muscles. So you need to take a little more care. That's nice. Somebody's having a picnic in the park, thinking what's on their menu.
You're so inquisitive about food, always.
I just want to see what people eat. We'll just walk on.
You do that, I'm not going to join.
Shri is refusing to be a part of this, but I just want to see what people eat in a picnic. I'm always curious to see what. Oh, they finished their food. I think they're doing a puja actually.
Puja, yeah, there's something to do with this Nagara Panchami, right? Today is an auspicious day. Whoever had missed out on that Nagara Panchami day, for whatever reasons, they would select another auspicious day and come and do the Ali Nagar Huttu Hatra Puja Madbittu.
Near the snake hole.
No.
Well, I thought there was some breakfast happening, so I just thought I'd go and take a look, but not quite. I think speaking of breakfast, I think it's time now to say goodbye to Cubbon Park
Yep.
and say hello to
Airlines.
Airlines Hotel. That's where we are headed for breakfast. The tradition, Cubbon Park Walku, Airlines breakfast too.
Usually it's Lal Bagh Walk and MTR breakfast and Cubbon Park Walk and Airlines. I want to buy some guavas. Eshtappa?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. This is the best food route.
Shri sees a fruit cart, a fruit shop, a fruit stall, she has to stop.
Yep. That's me. ಎರಡು ಕುಡಿ ನೀರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಉಯ್